Hey guys, it just gets better. I guess they changed condenser fan. This is fairly new. Wire nuts, I don't know if you can see that down in there. Try to shade it. Wire nuts exposed. Upside down, water gets in them. Check this out. You gotta love this P Trap. you gotta love that P Trap. Come on now. Come on. Yeah. Oh man. You just gotta love that P Trap. Oh man, I'm about to pee myself. I didn't see that till I was walking over here. I was going to check the Freon, and I seen that. I was like, oh man. Okay, all right guys, had enough fun.